Not people not really we don't come and get today. No say we dey talk something with the feel of concern say e no be we dey people too. Na brother when you come reach your side na you know say yes wetin we dey talk we dey try to make sense. Then use am make parable that time say if you see say erosion dey come for road how block am for your side so that if you come before you reach your side that concrete wey you put for the way you take block am you go hand for there. You no wait make e enter your compound finish before you dey block am before you put one shovel you don flush am comot. Dey try to dey talk these things nobody dey follow nobody fit talk this corporation of a thing wey we try to dey talk nobody fit talk anything good but the be like say we dey waste time we no know wetin we dey do. See now wetin dey happen for America why because no cooperation for the black because no cooperation for this skin wey dey talk to you so because no cooperation free for we black sef dey vex for ourselves one with each other. See wetin white America dey do to black America. This thing good just keep person see the shark e can't breathe they no leave am they dey press am down and instantly die or see me and see you many black dey there why because no cooperation. My brother dey talk this thing just be like say this love and unity and we get together that say we no know wetin we dey do bros we know wetin we dey do if we cooperate and get this unity this thing no dey happen. You the rule wey we dey now why people see my boys dey do shop they no wan work. You go work for person for 1 month you go dey pay for train dey waka up and down dey work month go end they no go pay you. How you come wan make boys dey come and when you fit say they dey work when this one they no dey pay how they wan take work. If this corporation dey the brothers when we first come meet for here say wey dey old dey dey here they dey cooperate with us na dem understand the country wey we dey na dem understand the language well they dey cooperate with us. All those things no dey happen. If you see our boss now they no wan work why because no be their fault I no fit blame them. You no fit expect boy na make you work for 1 month 31 days no payment how you wan take pay your house how you wan take chop how you wan take send money give you family why because no cooperation. If you cooperation dey say yes they cooperate they fight they riot for the city when they behave like that this thing no dey happen. They talk this song and finish you guys say we no know wetin we dey talk see wetin dey happen and see wetin dey shame my body make you see how you tell person because na black you just die and if I see many video when I dey sing when I will start to dey show na I will see wetin white dey do the black no be the Europe for dey move just carry that one comot go Germany how they dey use our people anyhow dey kill our people to carry their pikin. My brother things dey happen why because no cooperation. You hear the people they don't take for you come out and say they talk the problem we get especially the youth we are not cooperating no cooperation at all. Go Germany see wetin dey happen come the Italy when we say we dey come see wetin dey happen with we black wetin dey happen more cooperate more get this love and unity make you see whether everything no go change. Me I dey vex if I dey see this thing tears dey comot for my eye wetin dey happen wetin we no get na power say make we shoot na that one say experience na we no get e get wetin we no get natural power we dey say even we carry the gun we dey we no get wetin we dey wetin be our problem when be say we dey fight against each other. I don tire I dey vex wetin see if you no wan cooperate with us you no wan cooperate with us na broom na we go take kill you for this time if you be black you no wan cooperate broom only one na we dey carry comot we go use am kill you. One more business this 2020 so we wan try more take unite together anybody wey no wan support when you wan no cooperate with us we go turn am to where you no fit dey able dey see us again. Now do well to share the video with me and subscribe. We'll see more video and more. We'll see more video, more talk. I will fit coordinate ourselves and cooperate together for ourselves. Me and the very deceiving for what I see many days. We just forget the issue first. See our government, all this one they say our people give the full estimate to the poor our people. Man, I just tired for we black Ken. We black, I tire. Abeg, who see this video make e share? Una do well for today.